5. Essential editing. Let's start editing. Most of your time is going to be spent down here at the bottom inside of the timeline because this is where your video is going to come together. What you want to do is select the video clip that you want to cut, and then you want to use this blue bar, also called the playhead, to navigate to wherever you want to make that cut. Here we'll move it to 1 second, and then I'll click on the split tool. You guys will see that it splits the video here. Let's say I also want to make a cut right here at 3 seconds. I can just move my playhead again, select the split tool. And now you guys can see I have 2 cuts within my video clip. I'm going to go ahead and remove this portion of the video clip, and all I need to do is select it and then delete it with this icon here. To move a video, you can simply click on it, hold, and drag it. But keep in mind, any clip in your main video track here is set up to snap into place. To get around this, you can move that video clip above into a new video track here where it will not snap into place, and you can put it exactly where you want it. To trim video clips, all you need to do is just select the beginning or the end of the video clip, and you can just drag it in like so to make a quick trim like that. You can also do it from the beginning like so, but keep in mind, if it's in the main video track, it's automatically going to snap into place. But I want to go ahead and get rid of that. Now, a few features that are really going to help you out while you edit is first, expanding your audio. Go ahead and click on this, and it will make your audio larger and easier to see. So you can use audio to actually make edits now because you can see that the sound starts right here, and we can drag our video clip right to where that sound starts. Next, you have the control tracks down here. This will allow you to lock video clips, mute them, or even hide them completely. But for now, we'll go ahead and hide the control tracks. And we can also duplicate video clips really easily simply by selecting the clip we want to duplicate and clicking the duplicate option here. But we don't need this, so we'll go ahead and get rid of it. Now we can also just right click on our clip and we can separate the audio, expand the audio, duplicate the video clip, or delete the clip right here. And instead of having to go here to add media and then looking for your video or audio clip here on your computer, what you can do is just open your File Explorer, navigate to where it is, and simply drag in the video or audio clip that you want, and it will automatically add it in to the timeline like so, and all you had to do was drag it in. So I just find that a lot easier than going here and having to look for it all within Rush. Watch the full video now, link on screen and in the description.